guys, Teresy Sokay-Falao, known as the eighth wonder of the world. She is a proud pure-blooded Igorata, a truly modest natural beauty, strength with a grace. She graduated from the Ifugao State University with a degree of hospitality management. She believed that the beauty is not only seen, but also felt through purpose and compassion. Her advocacy is to save the earth in a little way, encourage everyone to protect and preserve our Mother Earth. She is really confident and empowered woman, and crowned as the Miss Luz Vivienda Queen way back 2023, and a Mutya ng Kalikasan recently happened. She won also the Mutya ng Kalikasan Queen 2025, proving that every compact shines. She holds a red belt in Taekwondo, showing the true beauty lies in both strength and discipline. Her gown was designed by Miss Digna Loano, a talented Filipino designer in Cyprus. This gown symbolizes passion, confidence, and attention-grabbing beauty, just like a woman who wears it. Ladies and gentlemen, that is our candidate number 8, Miss Dimple Ogano.
Thank you very much, candidate number 8. Let's proceed to candidate number 9.
From the heart of Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, the rice granary of the Philippines, comes a woman of grace, strength, and resilience. At the age of 33, she once a proud school athlete, and although health challenges pose her journey, her passion and determination never wavered. She pursued her studies in the hotel and restaurant management at the Asian Institute of E-Commerce, and continued to embrace as an active and disciplined lifestyle, expressing most freely through dance and performance, where creativity and confidence shine. She is an independent woman. She proves that true beauty is found in resilience. She's now the graces stage with elegance and inspired captivated. Ladies and gentlemen, that is our candidate number 9, Marquez Jose.
Thank you very much, candidate number 9. Let's proceed to candidate number 10.
Candidate number 10, originating from the Batangas, Philippines, and raised in Balayan. She's 39 years of age, the daughter of Miss Leopoldo and Lourdes Valencia. Being an OFW is not easy, being away from your family, and every day is a challenge for her. Because of her dream, everything has become easy. She believes that you need to be more responsible and a strong person for you to be able to achieve your dreams in life. She loves traveling and exploring new places, especially here in Cyprus. She's a very happy and a loving person. She said that all of us are unique with a genuine love. Let us make this world a better place to live. That is our lovely candidate number 10, Miss Nika Valencia.
Thank you very much, candidate number 10. Let's proceed to candidate number 11.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have from Quiapo, Nueva Ecija, formerly known as the rice capital of the Philippines. Now she's basing abroad. She built a stable and successful career, spending the 4 years in Taita. Her dedications, integrity, and a strong work ethic have made her a valuable asset in her field. She traveled internationally like in Dubai. She really loves sports like volleyball, and she's a valuable player. She strongly believes in the power of resilience, kindness, and self-respect value that have guided through life challenges and success. Through this platform of pageant, she hopes to be a voice of every woman. She reminding that beauty is not just seen, it's lived, shaped by strength and a purpose of heart. The gown defines power with every step. The shoulder speaks sophisticated, with the underline are fire. Fierce and fearless, dripping in rib elegance and sparkling confidence. A masterpiece made for the woman who isn't afraid to stand out at the old stage like here. The designer was created by Jean Saboto Gonzalez, and of course, a special touch of her. That is candidate number 11.
Thank you very much. Pakisabi nga kay Jana doon, labas siya ng cortina dahil nakikita siya sa view. Itong nag-video, please. Ayan, ayaw kong makita ka muna, please. Candidate number 12.
The last but not least, candidate number 12. Candidate number 12 is a very strong and independent woman. She's 34 years of age, a single who ventured abroad to provide her parents a need to fulfill their dreams in life. She's very confident and passionate young woman who's loose for sports. She would really love to do these things because her discipline, strength, and perseverance molding her as a better person. Her active lifestyle not only built her character, but also in managing and guiding with a team with dedication. Beyond sports, she finds joy in dancing, where she expresses creativity, rhythm, and grace the balance for her competitive spirit. As a single and independent woman, she continued to embody resilience, proving that true shines passion, leadership, and courage that shapes one dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our candidate number 12, Miss Jenaline Milares Mikwa.